driving? Yeah, 10-4, the suspect vehicle's still going.
10-4, I'm at the 42 west, east.
You might try to get him at the 44. 17, I think they just passed you.
That's a blessing.
I'm behind 17, it looks like. We're near the 40 with eastbound. He's swerving all over the road, he's still rolling.
Something up here, boy, I'm with 194, BAW 194,
We're returning to Claudia Rodriguez out of Mapleville on the 2019 Ford F-250 brown in color.
We're at the 42 eastbound now. Yes, there's the pistol rolling.
Yeah, walking on that 46 eastbound, westbound. I haven't made contact with the person that was hit, so we don't know what happened to them. Correct.
TVI, TVI. Put your hands out the window! Put your hands out the window! You ready?
Driver! Put your hands out the window! Driver, put your hands out the window!
Chief of Hope, we're going to approach the vehicle. Driver hasn't came out. Driver, put your hands out the window!
Driver, show me your hands!
Put your hands out the window!
Show me your hands!
Put your hands up!
Put your hands up!
Put your hands up!
Put your hands up! Driver!
You ready?
Hey! Put your hands up! Touch the roof! Touch the roof!
You got eyes on him, I can extract him.
Yeah, I got eyes on him.
All right.
Just so one occupant.
Oh, shit.
Keep your hands up!
I'm going to take him on this side, okay?
Keep your hands up!
Get out the vehicle now! Crawl to me! Get out the vehicle! Crawl to me! Get out the vehicle now! Come on! I'm on the
I got you. G12, hope we got one now, 10:15. All right, come on. Sit up for me, okay? Everyone's turn. Come on, sit up, sit up, sit up.
Get up. Ready? 1, 2, 3, stand up.
Okay, come on. Come on.
Get up!
Come on. Put your leg up.
Hold on 1 second. I'll
All right.
drive through.
Put your leg in.
Hold on, let me check the pocket and everything before we shut the door.
All right. Nice.
Yep.
Cash.
Yep.
More.
Cash, knife, coins.
I'm gonna flip him your way so we can get his back pocket.
That'll work. Yep.
Checking waistband. Nothing on that side.
Elbow knife.
Nothing on that side.
All right.
Hey, are you injured?
No.
No?
We'll start the ambulance.
All right.
My God.
Did you call for it?
No.
G12, hope we get it. 216. All right. Okay, what's your name? What's your name?
Marcelino.
What is it?
Marcelino.
It's not meant for comfort, man.
Ya no.
All right. How you spell it? M
I.
M I T
E.
E
L.
L
N. O.
N O. What's the last name?
Rodriguez.
What is it?
Rodriguez.
Rodriguez. R-O-D R-I-G-U-E-Z.
Just need to know so I can tell somebody else.
All right. What's your date of birth? We got an ambulance coming for you, okay? What's your date of birth? April what? 2687.
Fine, correct?
All right, sit there. Watch your knee. Watch your knee. We got an ambulance coming. Watch your knee. All right. Sorry, got pictures.
How you get dirt?
I fell on my butt trying to get that door open. I ripped the handle off of it.
No.
Yeah.
Fuller's getting pictures.
What?
That Fuller's getting pictures. He has a driver license?
He gave me his, let me look him up because he gave me his name and date of birth.
I got a fingerprint scanner.
Okay, let me see if I can find it. I gotta get where he's from. Is that an Arkansas plate? Do you know?
I don't know.
Whoa, be careful now.
Did he roll?
What?
Did he roll?
Yeah, he rolled.
Oh.
He rolled. Yeah, that's an Arkansas plate, so
Let me get it right.
it's like right up against that tree.
Boy, Adam, with you?
Where's
19
my
franc. BAW 19 franc.
BAW
19 franc.
19 franc. All right. Let me look him up.
I never know you're rolling.